everybody, and welcome to your math video. So today we are going to start with before and after numbers. Now I have written these numbers on this board and we are going to see if we can say the before and after numbers. But here's the trick. We're not just going to do them by ones. We're going to do them by ones, twos, fives, and then we're going to even try by tens. So first, we're going to try by ones. Let's see if we can name the before and after numbers for 176 by ones. So 176, let's think, what would come before that? Just one more. 175. And what would come after 176? 177. Very good. So it would be 175, 176, 177. Now, let's try by twos. We have 22 here. If we go backwards 2, what would we have? 20. 20, 22, and what would be 2 more? 24. 20, 22, 24. Good job. Next, let's try by fives. We have 75. What would be 5 less than 75? 70. 70, 75, and 5 more would be 80. 70, 75, and 80. Now let's try by tens. Last one. We have 100. What would be 10 less than 100? This one's a little tough. 90. 90, 100, and then 10 more? 110. Good job. 90, 100, 110. Very nice. Now, let's see here. Just one money question for you. If I wanted to take 10 cents away from 80 cents, what would I have? If I had 80 cents and I paid 10 cents for an eraser, what would I have left? 70 cents, because that's 10 less. Good job. And if I'm counting by tens when I'm using money, what kind of coin would I be using? A dime. Awesome. Now, I'm going to give you time to get your speed drill out. I need you to get your speed drill out, and I'm going to give you time to do it. So I'm going to say when to start and when to stop, and in that time, you will have a minute, okay? So see if you can complete your speed drill in 1 minute. And if you finish before me, that's awesome. You'll just have to sit here and watch me dance while we wait. All right. On your mark, get set, go. It has been 15 seconds. Keep up the good work. "30 seconds. We are halfway there. "45 seconds. 15 more to go. You can do it. And time. All right. Now you can see, did you get to answer all of them? If not, that's okay. We'll get faster and faster as we keep going. But you did a great job. Maybe mom or dad or whoever's with you can help you out on checking those in just a little bit. Now, we are going to look at this board, and I'll see if I can find my marker. It disappeared. Oh, here it is. Okay, so with this board, we have an addition problem first, and then we're going to go into subtraction. But let's start with the addition first. Now, when we add numbers with 2 digits, like 35 and 24, where do we start? Do we start at the ones place, or do we start at the tens place? We start at the ones place. That makes it easier on us, especially when we get into bigger numbers. So first we have 35 plus 24. We will look at the 5 and the 4. What is 5 plus 4? 9. Good job. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then what is 3 plus 2? 5. So 35 plus 24 equals 59. Good job. Now, let's try it with subtraction. Just like we did with the addition problem, we are going to start in the ones place. Now, for this, the ones place has zeros in it. Now, if I have 0 pieces of candy and I don't give any of my 0 pieces of candy away, how many would I still have? 0. So 0 minus 0 is always 0. Now we go to our tens place. 7 minus 2, what would the answer be? 5. Very good. So 70 minus 20 equals 50. Let's try one more. 0 minus 0. This one sounds familiar. What would the answer be? 0. Good job. That's a wonky 0, sorry. And what would 9 minus 3 be? 6. Very good. 9 minus 3 is 6, and 0 minus 0 is 0. And that means 90 minus 3 is 60. Very good. You will see this on your workbook today. So hopefully this will stick well. We always start with the ones place, and then we go to the tens place. Just like we do with addition. Not much different. Now let's see here. I want you to see if you can find your ruler. If you need to, you can pause this video, and I want you to find your ruler. All right, with your ruler, I want you to first find 3 inches. Now remember, when we're looking at our ruler, we start where the line is, right below the 1. That first line there is our marker. And then we'll go to the line where the 3 is, and that would be 3 inches. Be sure that you're on the inches side. The inches side is bigger than the centimeter side. Then I want you to see if you can find 10 inches. We start at the first line again, and we move all the way up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way past to 10. 10 inches. Good job. Now see if you can find 26 centimeters. For this one, you'll have to take your ruler and flip it to the smaller side. 26 centimeters. You'll start with the first little line there and move all the way over past 20 and all the way to 26. Now, sometime throughout the day, see if you can find something that is that measurement, whether it be 3 inches, 10 inches, or 26 centimeters. See if you can find an object around your house that is that length. Good job. Now, I would like for you to get your workbooks out and turn to page 229. You'll do pages 229 and 230 with your parents. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you had a good time in math. See you in ELA.